Good afternoon and welcome to Rush Outdoors. Today you join us as I bag my final bothy that belongs to the MBA in Wales. And as you can tell, the weather's turned crap yet again. However, we're here to have fun. We brought Mark, Rodders and Hannah and our regular friends from Twin Peaks Outdoors, Mark and Simon. Right, let's get kitted up and make our way over to the Bothy. Alright lads! Look at this icicle. It's like glass. Ooh, must have been bloody cold. Hi you two, give us a wave! Yay! So we're not far from the Bothy now, about half a kilometre maybe. We've done 4 miles up to now, just down the end of this forestry track. The reason why we've come this way is to save getting stuck in all the bogs, because the other pathways into it are meant to be like mini rivers. So, oh, excuse me. So that's the plan. Not far now. And then that'll be my final Welsh MBA bothy ticked off, bagged. Boom. Happy days. This forest has got a great echo. So we're right on top of the Bothy, coming through this scary section of forest track. It's slippy, so I have to watch me footing. Oh, but we're nearly there. And here we are, boys and girls. Moel Prysgau. Last of the Welsh MBA bothies I need to complete the set. It's a bit squelchy by here still as well. No smoke. Just watch me footing. I think he has been in there. Oh, hello. It's people. Hello. Hi. You alright? Yeah, so we are here in Moel Prysgau. We've met some lovely people. We've got Liv, there's a wave, Matt, and Andy. And then the usual rebel, Marky Poo. Hannah and Rodders and the twins are out there sorting themselves out. Bring you back in a bit.
Probably should take a few photos.
Photography. Like,
Exactly, yeah.
Danny, can you just run that by us again, please?
I know.
So,
But
I have 2 cups, and to save me getting mixed up and having rum tasting brews in the morning, I've got red for rum, blue for the brew.
Believe for a brew, eh?
And
Okay.
if I turn them this way, I can do a Madonna impression as well. Like a virgin, touch for the 55th time.
can you do it in the
Well, good morning. It's been a half decent Bothy stay. I'm happy to have now completed them all for the MBA ones in Wales. If you hear me struggling out of breath, it's because I fell last night outside when I went to the loo. Cracked all my side on a log. So, feeling a bit painful. So this is the bridge, or what's left of the bridge that's now gone. And the Bothy. Right, so I'm going to go back in and start packing away and make a brew. Take some more painkillers as well. Oh, tell you, yeah, slipped over there.
Need a big toe box like 2 gases.
So we'll do a little Bothy tour now.
Water. It'll dry.
So this is the main room. There's a bunk. Well, not a bunk, some platforms, sleeping platform, cracking fire, some tables. And this is the second room. Stick a stove in this one as well, and then you've got 2 rooms. Boom. And even in a Bothy, guys and gals, as we always say, leave no trace. Room's all been swept up, ready. Hi. For the next people, we left a bag of coal for the next person. And it's been left clean how we found it. Job's a good one.